What happens to your body if you plank for just 1 minute every day after 60? Planks are becoming one of the most popular exercises for people over 60, and the research is showing surprising benefits that go far beyond what most people expect. Most people think planks are too hard, but modified versions exist, and the results are measurable and fast. I researched the data and talked to fitness professionals who work with seniors. The science backs this up, and real people over 60 are seeing real changes. But before I show you all 5 benefits, let me tell you about benefit number 3. It's the one most people don't expect, and it happens faster than you think. These aren't just physical changes. Some are internal, invisible, but life-changing. Here are the 5 things that happen when you plank 1 minute every day after 60. Benefit number 1. Your core strength and posture improve. When you hold a plank, your core muscles activate. Your abdominals, your back, your hips, all working together at once. And for people over 60, this means standing taller, less back pain, better balance, easier daily movements. In the first 2 weeks, your muscles wake up. By week 3 or 4, you notice real strength. After 2 months, your posture visibly changes. Benefit number 2, you prevent falls and improve balance. Planks strengthen your stabilizer muscles, and core stability means better balance. Falls are the number 1 injury risk for people over 60, but a strong core helps you recover when you stumble. It gives you confidence in your movement. Research shows that core strength is one of the best predictors of fall risk. Planks train the exact muscles that keep you upright and steady. Benefit number 3, you support bone density. This is the one most people don't know about. When you hold a plank, you're in a weight-bearing position. Your arms, wrists, and shoulders get bone-building signals. Your spine stays engaged. And for people over 60, this matters. Bone density naturally declines. Osteoporosis becomes a risk. But weight-bearing exercise tells your bones to stay strong. Here's a surprise. Most people think you need weights. But planks load your skeleton naturally. Your body weight is enough. Benefit number 4, your metabolism gets a boost. Planks engage multiple muscle groups at once. That means more calories burned. And when your core stays active, your metabolic rate increases. Even at rest, metabolism slows with age. But muscle mass keeps it higher. And small daily habits create big cumulative effects. 1 minute doesn't burn tons of calories. But daily muscle activation matters. Consistency wins. Benefit number 5, your mental confidence and independence grow. This one is emotional. When you plank every day, you prove to yourself that you're capable. Physical strength builds mental strength. Daily wins build confidence. For people over 60, this is powerful. Age doesn't define ability. You control your body. You maintain independence. The emotional shift is real. I can still challenge myself. My body is capable. That's dignity. That's self-respect. So which of these 5 benefits matters most to you? Comment below. Posture, balance, bones, metabolism, or confidence? And have you tried planking? How long can you hold it? Let me know. 1 minute a day. 5 major benefits. Your body is stronger than you think. If you want more simple exercises that work after 60, subscribe. We share research-backed movements every week. And if you need help starting, I'll show you the modified plank version in the next video. You've got this.